Sphere. A solid obtained by revolving a circular lamina about any of its diameters is called a sphere. A sphere can be described as the set of all points in space which are equidistant from fixed point. Activity. Observe the figure and answer the following questions. Number 1. What is the center of the sphere? Answer. O is the center of the sphere. Number 2. What is the radius of the sphere? Answer. OB and OA are the radius of the sphere. For a sphere of radius r, we have total surface area is equal to ST is equal to SC is equal to 4 pi r square. Note, sphere has only curved surface. Volume of the sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Hemisphere. Plane passing through the center of a sphere divides sphere into two equal parts. Each part is called a hemisphere. Activity. With the help of figure, if r is the radius of hemisphere, answer the following questions. Number 1. What is the area of plane face? Answer. Pi r square is the area of plane face. Number 2. What will be the area of curved surface of hemisphere? Answer. 2 pi r square will be the area of curved surface of hemisphere. Number 3. What will be the total surface area of hemisphere? Answer. 2 pi r square plus pi r square will be the total surface area of hemisphere. Now, total surface area of hemisphere is equal to area of curved surface plus area of circle is equal to 2 pi r square plus pi r square. Total surface area of hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. Volume of the hemisphere is equal to 1 upon 2 into 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Volume of the hemisphere is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Let us solve few examples. Example 1. The radius of a sphere is 14 centimeters. Find the total surface area and volume of the sphere. Pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Given r is equal to 14 centimeters. To find total surface area and volume. Solution. Total surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square is equal to 4 into 22 upon 7 into 14 square is equal to 4 into 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14 is equal to 2464 centimeters square. Volume of the sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 14 cube is equal to 11,498.67. Therefore, the surface area of the sphere is 2464 square centimeters and its volume is 11,498.67 cubic centimeters. Example 2. The surface area of a sphere is 50.24 centimeters square. Find the radius. Pi is equal to 3.14. Given, surface area is equal to 50.24 centimeters. To find radius. Solution. Total surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. 50.24 is equal to 4 into 3.14 into r square. Therefore, r square is equal to 50.24 upon 4 into 314 is equal to 5024 upon 4 into 314. Therefore, r square is equal to 4. Therefore, r is equal to 2 centimeter. Therefore, the radius of the sphere is 2 centimeters. Example 3. The volume of a sphere is 36,000 pi centimeter cube. Find its radius. Given volume of a sphere is equal to 36,000 pi centimeter cube. To find radius. Solution. Volume of the sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Therefore, 36,000 pi is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Therefore, r cube is equal to 36,000 into 3 upon 4. Therefore, r cube is equal to 27,000. Therefore, r is equal to 30. The radius of the sphere is 30 centimeters. Example 4. Find the surface area and volume of the hemisphere with radius 10 centimeters. Pi is equal to 3.14. Given radius is equal to 10 centimeters. To find total surface area and volume. Solution. Total surface area of hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square is equal to 3 into 3.14 into 10 into 10 is equal to 942. Volume of the hemisphere is equal to 2 upon 3 into pi into r cube is equal to 2 upon 3 into 3.14 into 10 into 10 into 10 is equal to 2093.3. Therefore, the surface area of the hemisphere is 942 centimeters square and volume is 2093.3 cubic centimeter. Let us solve exercise 6.7. Question 1. The volume of two spheres are in the ratio 27:64. Find their radii if the sum of their radii is 28 centimeters. Solution. Let volumes of spheres be V1 and V2 and the radii of two spheres be R1 and R2. It is given that V1 upon V2 is equal to 27 upon 64. Therefore, V1 upon V2 is equal to 4 upon 3 into pi R1 cube upon 4 upon 3 into pi R2 cube, which is equal to 27 upon 64. Therefore, R1 upon R2 the whole cube is equal to 27 upon 64. Therefore, R1 upon R2 is equal to cube root of 27 upon 64. Therefore, R1 upon R2 is equal to 3 upon 4. It is given that sum of the radii is equal to 28 centimeters. That is, R1 plus R2 is equal to 28. Therefore, 3R plus 4R is equal to 28. Therefore, 7R is equal to 28. Therefore, R is equal to 4. Therefore, R1 is equal to 3 into 4 is equal to 12 centimeters and R2 is equal to 4 into 4 is equal to 16 centimeters. Thus, radius of the first sphere is 12 centimeters and second sphere is 16 centimeters. Number 2. If the radius of a sphere is doubled, what will be the ratio of its surface area and volume as to that of the first sphere? Solution. Let the radius of first sphere be r and radius of second sphere is 2r. Ratio of the surface areas is SA1 upon SA2 is equal to 4 pi r square upon 4 pi in bracket 2r square is equal to r square upon 4r square is equal to 1 upon 4. Therefore, SA1 upon SA2 is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, ratio of the surface areas is 1:4. Ratio of the volumes is V1 upon V2 is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube upon 4 upon 3 pi into 2r cube is equal to r cube upon 8r cube is equal to 1 upon 8. Therefore, ratio of the volume is 1:8. Number 3. The curved surface of a hemisphere is 905 1/7 centimeter square. What is its volume? Solution. It is given that curved surface area of hemisphere is 905 1 upon 7. By converting this fraction, we get 6336 upon 7. Thus, curved surface of area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. Therefore, 6336 upon 7 is equal to 2 pi r square. 6336 upon 7 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r square. Therefore, r square is equal to 6336 into 7 upon 7 into 2 into 22. Therefore, r square is equal to 144. Therefore, r is 12 centimeters. Volume of hemisphere is 2 upon 3 into pi r cube. By substituting the value, we get 2 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 12 into 12 into 12. Therefore, volume of hemisphere is equal to 3620.57 cubic centimeter.